If your stockbroker is anything like mine, they don't give you very good valuations nor good insights on your portfolio. And that motivation helped us to build Stockopedia Folios. Now you can run your watch list and your transaction-based portfolios through the Stockopedia Folios system, and you'll get fantastic results. In this very, very brief video, I'm going to run you through the key defining features of the system. It's very, very simple, but it's very, very powerful. So let's take a look. Okay, to find them on the site, you go to the sidebar and you click Folios. You'll see a button at the top which will say Create a Portfolio. Click it, and you can call this my ISA or portfolio name. You can choose a currency and a benchmark. If you're an international investor, you'll see many international benchmarks. Create the portfolio. You then get a choice of either adding a stock manually or importing a set of transactions. Now we take CSVs and other import options, and I'm going to use that just to accelerate the process. So you drag in a CSV into the utility, and you can see all the columns get automatically matched across your ticker symbols, the dates, the number of shares you have, etc. On your brokerage, you should have an export function that generates a list like this. And I will show you, if you click next, we match the securities, and then we import it with just a few clicks. Immediately get a fantastic, beautiful valuation page. On this page, you have a valuation chart which generates immediately back in time and gives you a quick allocation, shows you your gains, and gives you a powerful list of all of your holdings below. You can then actually go and analyze all of your holdings in a lot more depth using all of the fantastic table-based tools that we have available. So you can go and look up the stock ranks, you can look up valuation ratios, dividend fields, etc., etc. And if you're a sort of investor who likes seeing quick charts, just click the charts icon and you will have very, very quick snapshots of all the charts. Now that's not all we've got on the portfolios, because if you want to go in and dig into your transactions, click the transactions tab and you will see a chronological list of all your transactions that you can generate reports from. You can split into type of transaction, types of securities, and even filter by date. For monitoring news, you just click the News tab and you will be able to flick through all of the old company announcements and Reuters news stories that we have available in our database. We also have very active site discussions on the site, which can be found in the Discussions tab. But one of my favorite features in portfolios is the allocation menu. If you click on there, you will see a breakdown of your portfolio across all of the sectors in our database and against all of the styles which are generated from our stock ranks. I like to see that I have a really good diversity in my portfolios, and I think you should too, as it's the best way to manage risk. This is only a little brief introduction to some of these features that I'll go into in a lot more depth in other videos, but I would really encourage you to dive straight in, have a good go, and get all your data in. You will not regret it. Cheers.